Welcome back to the mess, everybody, and today it's messy. Here in the Caravan project, doing a big clean out and just going through and cleaning some stuff. This project has been a bit of a slow burner, if you've known. It's been about a year now, but things are nice. They're getting cleaned, so yeah, basically be doing a massive clean out. I have a lot of stuff, my partner has a lot of stuff. It's been a struggle trying to figure out where things go, but we have a slot in a shipping container, so now we can actually clear things out and start clearing out to get in here. So the bedroom has been the main focus so far, and it's pretty clean. It's pretty much done. And there's the bathroom. That's been getting done too. Been just going through, giving everything a big clean, sorting through cupboards with clothes and whatnot. I've got all my school socks in here from grade 12, and well, every other year I went to school. They're just chilling in there. Cause I want to keep them. I just don't know where I want to put them yet. But they're in there. This is where I'm going to hang my shirts up when I move my shirts in here. Yeah, they still need a mattress, but apart from that, on the tabletop, it's pretty good in here. And yeah, coming down, the bottom end is a bit of a mess. As you can see, I'm not going to move the camera down because I realized I have my graduation certificate sitting on the table that I don't think I should show you guys. I feel like that's information I shouldn't show you guys. So I'm not gonna show you. Oh, you check out the skull. Look at him, he's chilling up there. He's chilling. As you can see, if we scroll down here, scroll down. Yeah, see that mess. Very messy. But by the end of the day, this is hopefully spotless. You know, want to mop, vacuum this floor up, get all this cleaned up, hopefully. I realized I can't show you guys the footage I just took because there was some legal information sitting on the counter that, yeah, you guys can't get your hands on. So, yeah, that's the one problem with filming, is there's kind of just crap everywhere. So it's like, it's kind of just a case of, gotta be careful what I film. Gotta really examine that footage, make sure there's no legal documents and information just laying around there, because yeah, you guys, that's not for you guys to be seeing. As for the fridge though, I had a movie night yesterday. That was nice. Watched some Backrooms on the TV. This series, I've seen the movie though, it was pretty good. Yeah, Easter chocolate. Oh, vanilla Coke is actually peak though. This is the edge of my graduation document. That's all you're getting. There's a firelighter under there. What is that doing? Oh, yeah, I got this cool little buck thing. Set of drawers that I can store stuff in under my desk. I figured that'd be pretty cool. Don't mind, that's $100. I thought it's pretty cool. It's like all taped together. I got it for my 18th birthday. I'm 19 now, and I completely forgot I got it and only just found it. So that was a win. Oh yeah, and also just to kind of do, the toilet is having a cleaning day. It's being niceified because it didn't look so nice, so now we're nicifying it with bleach. Good old bleach, yeah. Well, yeah, well, that's where I would put a toilet if it was clean, and I will. We will put a toilet there when it's clean. It is clean, it's just drying, so I guess you could say it's already clean. Oh, we're also measuring for a mattress.
Where are you going?
Oh, I'm kicking friggin' vacuum snaking through here.
Hey,
look at that thing. Look at that guy.
Technically, we measure. I've already done the bed this
Oh,
way.
I don't know what you, I didn't know what you wanted me to do.
Go put it up that way.
Oh, you just want me to hold it?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know.
Connect it.
No, it's all
Move
good.
it this way. Move it this way.
It is the way. Hooray.
194. So
Alright.
143 by 194.
Okay.
Remember the.
Yeah, this is the toilet hole. Don't fall down there. I kind of want to, like, it's probably got like previous owner's dookie in there, but I kind of want to. Do you guys want to see it? That's previous owner dookie or something in there. I have no idea. Yeah, I'm pretty much just doing this to show you guys, right? And I document cleaning it, but it's kind of easier to just lock in and focus on the cleaning part. So I figured, I'll show you guys. This is kind of what things are looking like. I'm gonna do like a before and after type thing. So now I can show you guys a toilet in the right spot and hopefully a clean down there, and bedroom's kind of, you're just seeing the after of that. It's done. So in the bathroom too, I guess. How's the shower looking? It's coming along. So yeah. I was also thinking, right? Had this shell from down Burley way and dropped it. Got a perfect split down the middle. The thing, it could be cool. Got put one on each side of the cabinet here. I thought that'd be pretty cool. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Anyways, probably gonna switch now to a before and after of the downstairs. So let's cleanify. Yes, my legal document or graduation thing. I don't know. I don't even know if I can show that on camera. I don't know. Should you? I don't know. Didn't even know which school I go to. I don't know if I want you guys knowing that info. You can go upside down. Bum, ba, bow. Epic transition. Yay. Alright, and well, it is a 90, I'd say 95% complete clean. My desk here is obviously still
It's a bit messy.
Yeah, a bit messy. Like, you know, we've got the multitude of cups that were coffees needed to sustain throughout the process as the wave of tiredness kicked in. It is night time now, as you can't see actually because of the window being blocked.
Look at that window.
See, other window. Darkness. There's, you know, it's looking nice. The floor has been mopped. It is moist. Yeah. It's looking good. Very nice. But anyways, I'm going to gonna leave that off here for today. So thank you for following along. You can subscribe if you want to. Actually, I don't care if you don't want to. Just do it. Do it now.
Are you forcing people to subscribe?
Yes. Again, I don't recall doing this before, but you never know. I probably have. King Toast would let me. But yep. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this off here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna go back to not uploading and disappear for you guys again. So thank you very much, and goodbye.